How to open services in Windows. So if you want to open services in Windows, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, navigate to your start bar. Once you are on your start bar, here you have to just go for the Windows system. Just search for the Windows system here. Once you have searched for the Windows system here, you have to just go for the control panel. So just go here and you can also search for the control panel. After searching for the control panel, you have to open up your control panel. And here you have to just go for the large icon and tap on the category. Once you are on your category here, you have to just go for your category icon and go for the large icon. Once you are on your large icon, you can see the administrative tool. Just go and navigate to your administrative tool. Once you are on your administrative tool here, you have to just go for the services. Here you will find your services option. Just go and tap on your services. So this way you will easily open up your services. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.